Upgrade your data holder testing with myCDRdata Pro to gain valuable insights into your API health, behavior, and quality, with advanced features that make testing, problem identification, and debugging easier and faster in both UAT and production. Your myCDRdata Pro account is restricted to nominated users from your organization using their mobile number and a unique access key allocated by Cuscal. As a nominated user, you'll need to complete the two-step authentication process to obtain access each time you log in, using a one-time password that Cuscal will send to your mobile. When creating a consent to test your data holder APIs, you have the option of creating a one-off consent or consent that has a duration of up to 1 year, allowing you to easily reconnect to your data at a future point using an existing consent. After selecting your organization from the data holder registry, you have the option to test your data holder APIs for a specific dataset, a series of datasets, or all your datasets using a single consent. Authorization of the data sharing request is completed through your existing data holder flow. After completing the data sharing authorization process, you will be redirected back to myCDRdata Pro to select the transaction period for the consent. myCDRdata Pro will test the functionality and availability of the APIs that you have selected, displaying a green tick if the test was successful and the data flowed according to CDR standards, a yellow information icon if there was no data available for the dataset or if the test did not complete, and a red information icon if there was an error that should be investigated. After the API calls from the data holder are completed, myCDRdata Pro generates a file which contains the JSON data which you will be able to download and view. If an error has been encountered during the data collection, the JSON file can be used to quickly identify the location of this error. The file contains HTTP-level details of the request and the error response that was received, making it easier and faster for your team to debug problems with your data holder APIs. Using the myCDRdata Pro dashboard, you can manage the consents you have created. This includes viewing and sorting active and inactive consents, viewing the scope summary of each consent, revoking, amending, or recollecting active consents, and creating brand new consents. Recollecting a previously established consent is a quick way to test that data holder APIs continue to operate as expected. Click Collect to the right of the active consent you wish to test and select the transaction period you wish to collect data for. This enables the datasets associated with that consent to be recollected without you having to go through the process of re-establishing a new consent.